So when you insert a text box in Excel, it usually comes with a default thin black border. Removing it is essential if you want your text to look cool. It's a floating on the spreadsheet, or if you are laying it over a chart. So how you can do that? Let's get started. So first click on the insert and click on the shapes and pick a text box. Draw a text box and type your desired text inside the text box. Make it highlight, make the font bigger, make it center. And now you can see that a border is around the tag. So how you can remove that? Select the border and right click and click on the format shape. And in the right side panel, you will see that line. Click on that and select the no line. And here you can see that the line has been gone. And if you want to make the background to the transparent, then you need to click on the fill and click on the no fill. And here you can see that, and now you can move it anywhere on the Excel. So this is perfect creating clean dashboard, labeling charts, or adding floating notes to your data without cluttering the spreadsheet. So now I hope you understand how you can remove text border in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.